National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, west central Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Sapulpa, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Sand Springs, Tulsa. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 216 and 219. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Oklahoma. A tornado